Ever wondered what people mean when they talk about insurance, property, and casualty? Well, you're not alone. Many of us hear these terms thrown around, but few truly comprehend their significance. So let's demystify this today. Insurance, in its simplest form, is a way of protecting ourselves against potential future losses. Now, when we talk about insurance, property, and casualty, we're delving into two key areas. Property insurance safeguards us against losses to our tangible assets like our homes or cars. Casualty insurance, on the other hand, covers us against legal liabilities. Sounds simple enough, right? But the world of insurance isn't always as straightforward as we'd like it to be. It's a field riddled with complex jargon and intricate policies. But don't worry, we're here to help navigate these murky waters. So buckle up. As we venture into the world of insurance, property, and casualty, remember, knowledge is power. What exactly is insurance, property, and casualty? A question that might be on many minds. So let's break it down in a way that's as easy as pie. Insurance, in its simplest form, is a contract, called a policy, in which an individual or entity receives financial protection or reimbursement against losses from an insurance company. Now, when we talk about property and casualty insurance, we're entering a specific realm of this broad insurance landscape. Property insurance, as the name suggests, helps cover the financial loss to your property. This could be your home, your car, or even your precious collection of vintage vinyl records. If any of these assets are damaged, destroyed, or stolen, property insurance steps in to save the day, covering the costs of repair or replacement. On the other hand, casualty insurance is like the knight in shining armor protecting you against legal liabilities. Picture this. You're hosting a barbecue party and a friend accidentally trips over a loose patio tile, breaking their arm. Casualty insurance is there to cover the medical costs and any potential legal fees if your friend decides to sue for damages. It's not about the property itself, but the unforeseen incidents that can occur within it. Now you might be wondering, why are property and casualty insurance often lumped together? Well, it's because they usually go hand in hand. While property insurance covers your assets, casualty insurance covers your liabilities. Together they form a comprehensive safety net, protecting you from financial turmoil that could arise from property damage, theft, or legal liabilities. But remember, not all insurance policies are created equal. The extent of coverage can vary widely based on the specifics of the policy. Some might cover natural disasters like floods or earthquakes, while others may not. That's why it's crucial to read and understand your policy thoroughly. Now that we have a better understanding of what insurance, property, and casualty are, let's explore how they work. So buckle up as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of insurance in the next scene. How does insurance, property, and casualty work? Now that's a question worth exploring. In the simplest terms, insurance, property, and casualty are coverage types that protect you from financial loss in the event of damage to your property or liability claims due to accidents. The process of obtaining this type of insurance is fairly straightforward. You start by reaching out to an insurance provider. They'll ask you a series of questions about your property, your lifestyle, and other risk factors. Based on your responses, the provider will determine your premium, which is the amount you pay for your insurance policy. But what exactly does insurance, property, and casualty cover? Well, it's a broad umbrella that encompasses a range of scenarios. Property insurance covers damage or loss of your property due to disasters like fire, theft, or storm. Casualty insurance, on the other hand, covers liability claims if you're responsible for causing harm to others, either physically or in terms of damage to their property. Now let's take a look at some common scenarios where insurance, property, and casualty come into play. Imagine a tree falls on your house during a storm, causing significant damage. Your property insurance would step in to cover the cost of repairs. Or let's say you accidentally cause a car accident, and the other party sues you for damages. Your casualty insurance would cover the legal costs and any potential settlements. So, what are the benefits of having insurance, property, and casualty? First and foremost, it provides financial protection. If disaster strikes, you're not left footing the bill alone. It also offers peace of mind, knowing that you are protected against unforeseen circumstances. Insurance, property, and casualty can seem complex, but once you understand the basics, it becomes much easier to navigate. It's all about safeguarding your assets, protecting your financial well-being, and ensuring you can bounce back when life throws a curveball. So, the next time you find yourself asking, how does insurance, property, and casualty work? Remember, it's all about protection and peace of mind. Insurance, property, and casualty can seem complex, but once you understand the basics, it becomes much easier to navigate. Now that we've demystified insurance property and casualty, what are your thoughts? It's a topic that can seem complex, but when we break it down, it's really about protecting what's important to us. It's about safeguarding our homes, our cars, our businesses, the physical assets we've worked so hard to acquire. Think about your own life. How could a better understanding of insurance property and casualty benefit you? Could it help you make more informed decisions about your coverage? Could it bring you peace of mind knowing you're adequately protected against unexpected losses? And what about your professional life? If you're a business owner, for instance, could this knowledge help you better manage your risk and protect your livelihood? These are the kind of questions we hope you'll ponder, because the more we understand about insurance property and casualty, the better equipped we are to navigate our world with confidence. We'd love to hear your thoughts on insurance property and casualty. Drop a comment below and let's continue the conversation.